Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is CHOOSE, choose, THE, CORRECT, correct, OPTION, option. Choose the correct option. So dear children, in this topic each and every question is having two options and you will have to choose correct option. So the first is HOW, how, MANY, EARS, ears, DO, do, YOU, HAVE, have. How many ears do you have? You can see the option A is THREE, 3. Now option B is TWO, 2. Now you can see dear students, in this picture, you can see there is a boy and what he is showing? He is showing ears. So, how many ears do you have? 1 and 2. God has given 2 ears. 1 and 2. With the help of ears, we can listen sound. So, dear children, how many ears? 2 ears. So, we will tick option B, 2. Now, the next is WHAT, what, IS, THE, the, COLOUR, color, OFF, THE, the, SKY, sky. What is the color of the sky? Have you seen sky? Now I would like to show you the option. Option A is blue, BLUE, blue. Option B is red, RED, red. Now, I would like to show you the picture of the sky. You can see this is the picture of the sky. Now, tell me my dear, what is the color of the sky? When you will go out of the house and you will see the sky color, you can find the color of the sky is blue. So, which color we will take? We will take option A, blue, BLUE, blue. Now, the next is dash, IS, LEAFY, leafy, VEGETABLE, vegetable. Dash is a leafy vegetable. Now option A, you can see ONION, onion. Option B, CABBAGE, cabbage. Now you can see this is the picture of onion and this is the picture of cabbage. You know, dear children, onion is also vegetable, but it is not a leafy vegetable. It grows under the ground. It is of pink color and it brings tears in eyes while cutting. It is eaten as raw or cooked as with other vegetable. So, but cabbage is a leafy vegetable. It is green and purple in color. The only part of the plant that is normally eaten is the leafy head. It is rich in vitamin C and A. So, which is a leafy vegetable? Cabbage is a leafy vegetable. We eat, you can see, these all are the leaves. So, we eat this part of the cabbage. So, dear children, cabbage is a leafy vegetable. We will tick option B, cabbage. Now, the next is WEV, WRIT, right, WITH with, OUR, our, dash. We write with our dash. You can see option A, HAND, hand. Now, option B, NOSE, nose. Now, you can see in this picture, what is this? In this picture, you can see this boy is showing nose. But what is the work of nose? With the help of nose, we can smell like this. We can breathe. Yes. But you can see in this picture, what is this? This is the hand. With the help of hand, we write. Understood? And with the help of hand, we can hold anything. We can push to anything. So we write with our hand. We just hold the pen like this, you can see. So we write with our hand. So which is the correct option? Option A, HAND. Now the next is dash is is a juicy fruit. Dash is a juicy fruit. Option A, guava, guava. Option B, mango, mango. Now you can see, dear children, there are two options. Option A, guava, and option B, mango. So guava is a round-shaped fruit which found in green and yellow in color. But this is not a juicy fruit. And option B is mango. Mango is a juicy fruit. It is very juicy, pulpy fruit. Ripe mangoes can be consumed or raw mangoes in the form of pickles we consume. Mango is a rich source of various vitamins and minerals. It is regarded as the king of fruits and comes in various shapes and size. And mango is the national fruit of India also, which is loved by one and all. So, which is a juicy fruit? Mango is a juicy fruit. Option B, mango we will take. Now the next is THE, the OPPOSIT, opposite of BIG, big, is, dash. The opposite of big is. You can see option A is SMALL, small. Option B, COLD, cold. Now you can see in this picture. See, dear children, this is an elephant. The size of elephant is big. And this is a rat. The rat size is small. So the big opposite is small. But you can see here, this is ice cube. It is cold. And it is fire. So it is hot. So the hot opposite is cold. But big opposite is small. Big opposite is small. So we will take option A, small. Now the next is THERE, dear, ARER, dash SIDES, sides, TRIANGLE, triangle. You can see option A is tree, THREE, tree. Option B is 4, FOUR, 4. There are dash sides in a triangle. Option A is 3, option B is 4. Now tell me, you can see in this picture, this is a shape. Which shape? Triangle shape. There are 3 sides in a triangle. See, 1, 2, 3. How many sides, my dear? 3 sides. So you can, have you seen hanger? What is the shape of the hanger? Triangle shape. So have you seen the sandwich shape? Which shape? Triangle shape. There are many examples of the triangle. So you can see, my dear students, how many sides are in a triangle? There are 3 sides. So you will take option A, 3. Now the next is WHAT, what? IS is THE, the SHAP, shape, OF of a RING, ring. What is the shape of a ring? See, now option A is RECTANGLE, rectangle. Option B is CIRCLE, circle. Now you can see in this picture, this is the picture of ring. Now have you seen that what is the shape of a ring? You can see, dear children, the rectangle shape is like this, but the circle shape is completely round. So you can see the ring shape is also, this is completely round. So which shape is this? This is a circle shape. So there are many examples of circle. Have you seen the pizza with shape? Circle shape. You can see this is a bangle with shape, circle shape. This is a completely round. So dear children, what is the shape of a ring? Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. You will take option B, circle. Now the next is W-H-I-C-H, which L-E-T-T-R letter. I-S is M-I-S-S-I-N-G, missing. I-N in P-A-P-A dash A. Now, which letter is missing in? What is this? This is papaya. So, which letter is missing in papaya? Option A, Y. And option B, X. So, you can see this is the picture of papaya. Papaya have a slightly sweet taste. They are also a good source of vitamins. Many people eat papaya at breakfast. Unripe papayas can be cooked and eaten as a vegetable. Now, what is the spelling of the papaya? P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. So, which letter is missing? Y is missing. So, we will take option A, Y. Now, the next is dash I-S is a F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Dash is a fruit. Option A is P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. Option B, C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. Now you can see this is the picture of pineapple and this is a picture of cucumber. You know, dear children, cucumber is a vegetable. They are green and have a mild, refreshing taste. Cucumbers have a high water content. We eat cucumber as a raw, as a salad. Now, what is this? This is pineapple. So, pineapples do not grow on trees. Pineapples grow on plants that have leaves shaped like long shorts. Pineapple is a fruit with thorn on their skin. It is a sweet in taste. So tell me, my dear, which is a fruit? Pineapple is a fruit. We will take option A, pineapple. So like this, you will complete at home. Choose the correct option. Thank you.